Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and this is Deconstruction, where we break down the world of construction and civil engineering one video at a time. Let's understand why major infrastructure projects get delayed sometimes by months or years. Today, we are diving into three major reasons behind these delays. The first one is rising cost, second is material delivery issues, third one, tariff and international trade policies. Let's break it down. First up, rising costs. Construction budgets are tight, but with inflation and increasing prices of raw material like steel, concrete, and asphalt, project costs can skyrocket quickly. Even a 10% increase in material cost can throw off infrastructure budget, especially on large scale projects like metro systems, flyovers, or bridges. If the funding isn't adjusted quickly, the work slows down or even halts. Second is material delivery delays. And this one is huge. Construction runs on tight schedule and material need to be delivered on time. But with global supply chain disruptions, shipments of material like cement, steel, electrical components, and even fasteners can be delayed by weeks. Even if 95% of material are on site, the missing 5% can stall the project. For example, a delayed shipment of steel beams can hold up an entire structure, costing thousands per day in lost time. The third one, tariffs and trade restrictions. Many infrastructure projects depend on imported materials, especially steel, aluminum, and equipment. But when tariffs are imposed between countries, these prices of these material jumps overnight. For example, during the US-China trade tension, tariffs on steel went as high as 25%. That alone forced contractors to pay much more or find a new supplier, which takes time and delays everything. Let's say you are building a bridge. Your steel delivery is late, the cost is now 20% higher, and you can't finish phase 1 on time. Now, you as a contractor faces penalties. Workers must be rescheduled and the public loses trust in the project delivery timeline. These aren't just numbers on papers. These delays affect real communities, commuters, and economic growth. A great example is the Gordie Howe International Bridge, which is being built on the US-Canada border over the Detroit River, connecting Detroit to Windsor in Canada. The material used in the construction of the bridge are being imported from around the world, some parts coming from Canada, some parts from Germany, Mexico, and more. Since construction began in 2018, it has encountered challenges from the COVID-19 pandemic, the Ukraine war, supply chain disruptions from the canal blockage, and now tariffs. As a result of these issues, the bridge opening date has been postponed several times, and costs have increased by several $100 million. To fix these issues, we need better project planning, local sourcing where possible, and more flexible contract strategies that account for price fluctuations and global supply issues. What do you think is the biggest challenge in today's infrastructure world? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and build strong.